In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Google Calendar. This is a really handy workflow if you manage your tasks and projects in Asana, but you prefer to plan your day or week inside Google Calendar. By the end, your Asana tasks from a specific project will appear directly in your calendar, so you can see everything in one place and avoid missing important deadlines. First, open the Asana project that you want to sync. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the exact project whose tasks you want to appear in Google Calendar, because the sync works on a project-by-project basis. At the top of the screen, you'll see the project's name. Next to that name, there's a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the Project Options menu. In this menu, you'll see several options for managing and sharing your project. Move your mouse over the option that says Export Print. Don't click it yet, just hover over it. When you do, a submenu will appear. In that submenu, look for the option that says Sync to Google Calendar and select it. As soon as you click Sync to Google Calendar, Asana will open a small pop-up window. In this window, you'll see a special link, or URL. This link is what allows Google Calendar to pull your Asana tasks into your calendar. Carefully highlight that entire URL and copy it to your clipboard. You can use your usual copy shortcut for this. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. To the right of that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click this plus icon to reveal a list of ways to add new calendars. From that list, choose the option that says From URL. This will open a field where you can paste the link you copied from Asana. Click inside that field, paste the URL, and then select Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now create a new calendar based on that link. After a few moments, you should see your Asana project appear under Other Calendars, and your project tasks will begin to show up on the dates they're due. If you don't see them immediately, give it a little time to sync, then refresh your calendar view.